Recovering contacts from an old Sony Xperia phone and found ABU backup files on your computer? These contain your entire address book from the Sony PC Companion era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's how to restore or access those backed up contacts. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor ABU errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. ABU files are address book backup files, created by Sony PC Companion and Sony Xperia Companion desktop software. They contain exported contact data from Sony Xperia Android smartphones, including names, phone numbers, email addresses, physical addresses, and other contact field information, backed up during device synchronization. ABU files are address book backup files, created by Sony PC Companion and Sony Xperia Companion desktop software. They contain exported contact data from Sony Xperia Android smartphones, including names, phone numbers, email addresses, physical addresses, and other contact field information backed up during device synchronization. An essential utility for interacting with ABU is recognized as Sony PC Companion by Sony Corporation. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows can't display the stored information, so recovery software is needed to open these files properly. The fastest route to the fix is testing every option. Right-click the ABU file and hit Open With. Use Sony PC Companion if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If you still can't open the ABU file, it's okay. Rather than guessing, let's understand the root cause. Before we deploy the universal fix, here are the most common technical reasons your ABU file is generating this error. First, restore using Xperia Companion. Install Sony Xperia Companion from Sony's official website. Connect your Sony Xperia device and select the restore function. Browse to the ABU backup file, and the software restores the contacts directly to your phone's address book, preserving all names, numbers, and email addresses. Next, extract contact data. Since ABU files are compressed archives, try renaming the extension to zip and extracting the contents with any archive utility. Inside, you may find VCF vCard files or XML data containing the contact records. Open VCF files directly in your phone's Contacts app or Google Contacts for import. Finally, import to Google Contacts. If you extracted VCF vCard files from the ABU archive, go to contacts.google.com and select Import, then choose the VCF file. Google Contacts imports all entries, which then sync to any connected Android device. For non-VCF data, use a contact format converter to create importable VCF files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.